Greetings, Green Thumb Gardening family. Align and Unleash back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel, right here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. And in this morning's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys the results of our rooting 150 potato mint cuttings in water propagation experiment. We brought you guys a recent video on these 150 potato mint cuttings about 10 days ago. We told you guys we'll bring you guys back in the next 5 to 7 days to show you the progress that our 150 potato mint cuttings had made at that point. In our previous video, we had 5 to maybe 10 cuttings that hadn't even begun to root at that point, and we brought you that video at day 7, if I'm not mistaken, during the propagation experiment. Again, it's been about 10 days since we brought you guys our last update on our 150 potato mint cuttings. I'm going to spin this camera around for you guys right now and show you guys our propagation table and the tub, that 4-gallon tub in which we were using to propagate our 150 potato mint cuttings in a floating styrofoam platform. I'm going to remove that platform from that tub. I'm going to show you guys how successful or not successful we've been in approximately the past 15 days in rooting potato mint cuttings in water. Take a look at this. Bam! The very first thing you guys are going to notice is that these potato mint cuttings have grown tremendously since our last video update. Now that may be an indication that they've developed healthy root systems. It may just be an indication that they are in a good location here on our propagation table in this mostly shaded area here in this 4-gallon tub. In our last video update, we also filled our container back up to about the 2-gallon mark here in this 4-gallon container. And as you guys can see, this container has dropped. The platform in this container has dropped by about 4 inches probably since our last video update. That, if nothing else, indicates to me that our plants are drinking far more water at this point during the propagation experiment than they had been drinking during the past 7 days when we brought you guys our first video update on these 150 potato mint cuttings. I'm going to go ahead and raise this platform from this water at this time, from this container, and you guys and I'm going to see at the very same time exactly what it is that we have growing on with our African potato mint cuttings here. Take a look at this. Bam! Can you guys see the tremendous root systems that have formed on each and every one of these cuttings here in our floating platform here? Again, we started out with a total of 150 potato mint cuttings, and as you guys can see, every single cutting in every single row now has roots at around day 15 in this propagation experiment. Now, if you guys recall correctly, the whole purpose of this rooting these 150 potato mint cuttings was as a gift for Roots and Vine Cafe and Produce up in Chicago, Illinois, owned by my dear friend Mrs. Ina Jones. This, my friend, is what your potato mint cuttings are looking like at this point during the grow experiment. I'm going to go ahead and get these potato mint cuttings packaged up for you and in the mail and on their way to your location there in Chicago, Illinois within the next 3 to 4 business days. Thanks for watching. And if indeed you find yourself currently watching this video on the conclusion of our rooting 150 potato mint cuttings in water propagation experiment, and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please take a moment to press the subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, Green Thumb Gardening family, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, rooting 150 potato mint cuttings in water. And indeed, this propagation experiment has been a success. Thanks for watching.